Imagine two professionals. Both are 45 years old. Both earn around 800,000 shillings per month. One could comfortably stop working within the next 10 years because his investments generate enough income to support his lifestyle. The other couldn't survive 6 months without a salary. Same income, completely different financial futures. How is this possible? Today I'm going to explain why a high income doesn't automatically create wealth. The number every professional should know, but most don't. And how you can quickly tell whether you're genuinely on the path to financial freedom. If you are a high income professional in Kenya, I believe this could completely change the way you think about your money. Hello, I'm Manyara Kirago. I help high-income professionals optimize their finances and build lasting wealth through strategic financial planning and rental real estate investing. One of the most common assumptions I hear is this: I'm earning well, so eventually I'll become financially independent. It sounds reasonable, but unfortunately, it isn't always true. Over the years, I've met doctors, engineers, executives, accountants, IT professionals, lawyers, and entrepreneurs who earn very impressive incomes. Many drive expensive cars. They live in beautiful homes. They travel regularly. From the outside, they appear financially successful. Yet beneath the surface, many are far less financially secure than people would imagine. If their salary stopped tomorrow, everything would change. Mortgage payments would continue. School fees will still be due. Car loans wouldn't disappear. Household expenses would continue. Lifestyle would immediately come under pressure. And that tells us something important. High income is not the same thing as financial freedom. Whenever I begin to work with a new client, I ask a simple question: what is your net worth? Interestingly, very few people answer immediately. Instead, they tell me, I earn 700,000 shillings a month, or my business makes 1.5 million shillings, or I own 3 plots, I have money in a circle, I have several investment policies. Those are useful pieces of information, but none of them answers my question. Income tells me how much money flows through your hands. Net worth tells me how much wealth you have actually built. Net worth is simply everything you own minus everything you owe. It's your financial scorecard. It tells the truth, because two people earning exactly the same salary can have completely different net worths. One has been intentionally building assets. The other has simply been increasing their lifestyle. Let's imagine two professionals. James earns 900,000 shillings every month. Every promotion has been accompanied by a bigger lifestyle, a larger home, a newer SUV, more expensive holidays, private schools, more subscriptions, better restaurants. Nothing wrong with these things until they consume every salary increase. Then there is Susan. She earns exactly the same income. She also enjoys life, but every time her salary increases, she increases her investments before increasing her spending. Over 10 years, James appears richer. Susan becomes wealthier. That's the difference most people miss. Income buys choices. Only disciplined investing builds freedom. There is another question I ask. When could you stop working if you wanted to? Most people have absolutely no idea. Think about that for a moment. We spend decades working, yet very few people ever calculate when work might become optional. Instead, we assume retirement happens around 60 or 65, or whenever the pension arrives. But financial freedom has nothing to do with age. It has everything to do with passive income. If your investments generate income to cover your living expenses, you have options. Maybe you continue working because you enjoy it. Maybe you change careers. Maybe you reduce your hours. Maybe you spend more time with your family. The important point is this: work becomes a choice, not a necessity. That is real financial freedom. So why don't more people get there? In my experience, it isn't because they don't earn enough. It's because they never stop to gain clarity. They buy investments without an overall strategy. They save without clear goals. They assume more income automatically creates more wealth. And they measure success using salary instead of financial independence. Imagine setting off on a road trip without knowing your destination. You might be driving very fast, but how would you know if you're headed in the right direction? That's exactly how many people manage their finances. Busy, successful, hardworking, but without a clear map. That's why the very first stage of my structured growth framework is financial clarity. Before choosing investments, before buying property, before restructuring debt, before building passive income, you first need to know exactly where you are today. That means understanding your net worth, your cash flow, your financial goals, your liabilities, your assets, and most importantly, how much passive income you ultimately need. Without that clarity, every investment decision becomes harder. With clarity, every decision becomes easier. So here is what I would encourage you to do today. Take 30 minutes, calculate your net worth, write down every asset you own, then every liability, subtract one from the other. Next, ask yourself 3 questions. Question number 1 is, if I stopped working today, how long could my current assets support my lifestyle? Question number 2, how much monthly passive income would I need before work becomes optional? Question number 3, if I continue exactly as I'm going today, when will I realistically reach that point? If you cannot answer those questions confidently, don't worry, you are not alone. But now you know where to begin. To help professionals answer these questions, I have created something called the Financial Freedom Scorecard. It takes about 15 minutes to complete. It assesses you across 7 critical areas that determine whether you're genuinely on the path towards financial independence. Most people are surprised by what they discover. If you'd like a free copy, you'll find a link to my freedomcoachingke.com website, where you can download it in the description below. Or if you're watching this shortly after it's published, simply reach out to me on LinkedIn and ask for the Financial Freedom Scorecard. If you'd like help interpreting your results, I'll be happy to invite you to a complimentary one-on-one financial freedom strategy session. Together, we'll identify the biggest gaps, estimate how quickly you could realistically achieve financial independence, and discuss practical next steps based on your personal circumstances. If you found this video valuable, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with somebody who is earning good income but isn't sure whether they are building lasting wealth. Remember, your salary is not your wealth. Your net worth tells the real story. And the sooner you gain financial clarity, the sooner you begin designing a future where work becomes a choice, not a financial necessity. I'll see you in the next video.